Hey all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So I'm starting a new series, so it will be the arcade vehicle in which we will like try to make the car, like me and you. So like in parallel we will make to try to make a car. I will provide every asset which I will use and we will make every functionality from the scratch. So I was following this tutorial first, and it is really good, but it is in Russian, so I tried my best to decode everything. So I will make like all the functionalities from the scratch, but all in C++, and explain everything why like we are doing the stuffs, like what is forward force, how we can apply the like friction, how to apply the brakes, and all and all and all. So this will be the whole series, and if you ever feel okay, like some questions do you have, just comment it below and ask me those questions, and I will like try my best to rectify them all. So let's set up the project for now. So for it, go like just for the materials, it is not mandatory though. Just go to the free collection, like permanently free collection, and just download the vehicle variety pack volume 2. I have already did, so what I will do, I will just open the Unreal 5. We will make it in Unreal 5. Yep, so I'm in Unreal 5. We can also take the blank project, but for the sounds we will use the sound from the vehicle. We can use it also, but okay, let's go with the blank project as it will be empty, and I will name it as arcade vehicle vehicle system. And okay, and I don't want any starter content and raycasting, just keep the things as default and just create it. Okay, so this is up and running. So today we will just set up the folders hierarchy and all the assets, and in next session we will start our main coding side. Okay, so I think we have the engine visibility on, so I just want to keep it off. Just right click, and in the content I will make the folders called assets, which I usually keep blueprints. Okay, and I usually keep the blueprint color to blue, we set color, and I will keep it blue, nice and blue. And for the assets I always keep it like this, and for the maps I will keep it as yellow. Okay, so this is for the setup side. Okay, so for the assets, okay, let me I have already given the link in the description, so you can just go there and download the assets from there. For now, let me drag and drop these two. So these are the two assets. I don't want to create okay, to want generate, just keep everything as default and import all. So what they will do, they will give you the default materials, but they will give you the naming convention all correct. So you remember I mentioned you to download the project from the Epic. So just open that and we will migrate the materials from there. Okay, so I have opened the vehicle variety pack volume 2. I have chosen this car. It was looking good to me, so okay, just open it. We just want its material, that's it. We don't want anything fancy, just select them all and asset, and we want to migrate it. So asset actions, migrate. So it will like auto select all the dependencies for you. So just click OK, and we have to choose the path where you want to migrate. So I am inside my project folder, Arcade Vehicle System. Select, go inside the content and select folder. So the migration is completed, so we can close it now. Let's check if we do have it. Yes, we do have it. Let me go to the textures. We have everything as we expected. I will just shift it to the asset side, just to be like, to keep my things neat and clean. Okay, so inside the assets, what I will do, I will just try to delete it, and I will replace it with the MI sedan body. If okay, let me check. Go inside the variety, materials, master or sedan body. Yes, we do have it. Just select it. Sedan class chassis, this is the class. Just select it, and I think this should be good to go. We like, we can also select chassis and the interior, but it is not relevant though. And for the interior part, just select it. So this is actually looking good, and we will do the same for the tires. So just open the tire. It's sedan chassis. Again, go to the material, sedan chassis, this one, and select it. Okay, this is looking good. So our assets are ready now, and we can delete the extra materials which we have. We don't need them now. Okay, so, and we need one map. I think this is quite big for us. We can use it though. uh, so let's save it, and default map, and we will keep. Okay, so we have saved it inside the map. And before closing down, I will just go inside the project settings, and will keep map and modes from open world to default. So whenever I will open my project, it will give us the default map. So this was just to start the project up and running, and was just to include the assets and the to set the folder hierarchy. So from the next tutorial, we will include and see like how we will do the class hierarchy, and we will start the coding side. So this was it for today. Please like and subscribe if you do like it, and if you have any comments like how I can improve my videos, and like, or do you want any more explanations and all, just let me like comment it below, and I will implement that. Okay, thank you.